What I want to talk to you about today is my leather restoration, redye, and repair kit. We all have many different colors of leather, mostly black, but what happens when you have a different color? What this is the first time this has ever been done. It actually allows you to take the 7 primary colors and mix and tint it whatever color you want to match your leather, so you can actually put a brand new urethane dye back on the finish. Whether you're restoring the brown leather, you want to get it to a darker color, bring it back, it actually brings the dye back and brings the leather back to its original. Whether you want to actually change the color, go to a lighter or a darker color, it allows you to do that as well. There's brown to gray, there's brown to black, it allows you to do them all. But on top of that, it actually includes the world's only genuine leather repair kit. This is basically what it is. It allows you to take a hole, patch the hole, and then there's the repair. You put the dye on top, just like that. Invisibly, does a great job. Now, we're going to do this, we're going to demonstrate it to you. We have a tear here. Here's a typical hole, torn. We're actually going to repair that and make it look like brand new. You take some of the special backing material that's in the kit, put it in behind, like so it has something to stick to. And then you take your repair compound and you go over top. Then you take your graining paper and you place it over the top and you let it dry. And the last step is to add the color on top to cover over top of the repair, and then you're good to go, just like that.